Hi, today in this video you will learn how to implement TimePicker in Android using Kotlin. So let's get started. First we create our project. Here I'm selecting empty activity. Click on next. Name of your project. And here I'm selecting language Kotlin. Click on finish. Open activity main.xml and here we add TimePicker. I'm using relative layout here. Now open main activity.kt. So here, first we get the ID from XML file by using find ID. So here I'm creating a variable. And now we will work on set on time change listener. So time p dot set on time change listener. And here we use a toast message to display the time. So here set on time change listener. This interface we use to indicate the time has been adjusted. Now we run the project. So here you can see the output. When I adjust the time, it will display a toast message. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.